This segment borrows heavily from an article by the esteemed linguist Anatoly Lieberman. I'll provide the address to his article in the comments section. For today's etymology of the day, we turn our attention to the word mark, and by extension to the English march. We see this word in the modern country name Denmark, but also in the creation of fictive kingdoms. If you're a millennial, or not, but heavily got into the Elder Scrolls games, in particular Skyrim, you'll remember the lands known as Hjalmarch and the East March. So what does this mean in this sense? Well, in its ancient Germanic form, it meant sign, boundary, or district. Therefore, the Hjalmarch was the district whose border was formed by the river Hjal, and the East March, an eastern border area. So how did March make its way into English then? The short answer is from German by way of French. Mark stems from Margrave, Markgraf, which was absorbed into French and became Marquis. It's from Marquis that English gets its mark. As far as March is concerned, it most often occurs in the historical record with reference to the Anglo-Saxon kingdom of Mercia, whose Old English name, Mirce, meant something akin to people of the borderland. In this case, we're talking about the border between Anglo-Saxon and Celtic peoples. As far as Scandinavian languages are concerned, mörk meant forest in Old Icelandic. In the modern Scandinavian languages, it means piece of land or field. However, according to Anatoly Lieberman, uncultivated land and forest are also attested meanings. Outside of Denmark and the marches of Skyrim, mark lives on in the word landmark. So whether it's a medieval border province, an Anglo-Saxon kingdom, or a video game map, mark and march always come back to the same idea: land that matters because it marks an edge. Can you think of other place names or fantasy worlds that use old border words like this? If so, drop one in the comments. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Vierte. Tschüss. Baba.